just wanted to do a really nice and simple video about how you can reorganize or kind of redesign a space in your home. So if you want to feel fresh or just see something new and feel re-inspired and re-motivated in your own home, a really easy way to do it is to pick one small section in your home and just rearrange the things that are there. Pull pieces from other parts of your home, maybe buy one or two things to add to it. You don't even have to redesign the entire room. You don't have to spend a ton of money making over the entire room. You can do a makeover in a small way, on a budget, and in a really short amount of time. So I got 2 prints online, this company called Desenio. So Desenio is an online print and frame site that allows you to pick out a few prints for extremely low cost, and they do the framing there. When I say do the framing, they have the frames available there, so you can buy the print and the frame at the same time. It's already together. The great thing about this is I have several prints around my home, and I've had prints and gotten prints before, but it's just a lot of drama and stress with buying the actual print, downloading the print, taking the print to the print shop, getting it printed, then going somewhere else, finding a frame, trying to find the right size frame. And I love that Desenio includes everything all together, and it's just, you get it in the mail and it's done. Their shipping is 2 to 5 days. It's free shipping in 2 to 5 business days with orders over a certain amount. I love that. It comes in a couple of days, and as soon as you open the box, it's just, you have everything you need right there. And so you can buy different sizes, different dimensions. They have a variety, extreme variety of options online. You can do inspirational quotes. You can do pictures like scenic backgrounds, just really inspiring places, like maybe somewhere you've always wanted to go and you want to wake up every morning and see that just to remind you you can do this, you can get there, or just something that makes you feel peace, like any kind of picture or print, whatever that may be. They pretty much have everything that I think you would want as far as that goes. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. I'm going to pick one space in my home, and today it's my bedroom. I'm pretty sure if you guys follow me on Instagram, you have seen this background before, my lovely little setup. This is directly across from my bed. So for me, I'm all about visuals. I'm very, very influenced by the things that I see. So I'm very careful as to what I take in. I believe that the windows are the eyes to the soul, so whatever is in my window is what gets inside. So I always try to make sure that the things that I see are inspiring, motivating, uplifting, refreshing, peaceful, calm, serene. All of those things are things that I strive for in every single part of my home, from the bathroom to the kitchen to my workspace. So this space right here, this particular corner, is directly across from my bed. My bed is in this corner that I'm pointing at here. So when I wake up in the morning, the first thing that I see, I either look out these windows that I have straight here, or I look over here. Now the beautiful thing about where I positioned my bed in my bedroom, some people are big on like feng shui and different parts of the house and how things flow and everything like that, but I have my bed facing east. The sun rises in the east, and when the sun rises, that's what wakes me up. So there are times where I know that I need to be up early. I will sleep with the windows kind of cracked, not the windows, but the shades. I will turn the shades down so that they face the bed, and the sun wakes me up, so I wake up with the sun. With that being said, I'm going to show you guys how to redesign this small space. Here's what it looks like before, and it looks good, don't get me wrong. I still love the way this looks, but this has been my setup for the last year, I believe. Again, it already looks good, but we're just going to rearrange a few things, put some things there, and just give me like a fresh little space, you know? So starting out, I got this little print, and it's just a plain print. I love that it's it has like a little tint to it, like the background, like a brown shaded kind of area, and then just plain black words that say good vibes only on a white background. The quality and thickness of this paper I love. I can tell you right now how much it costs to print something on this kind of paper, this size. It's not $10. This was literally $10 on the Desenio site. So this is a good deal. I'll tell you right now, because I paid a lot more to have a print and to get this paper to do all this stuff. So this is a really good deal. Anyway, I'm gonna do this right now and show you guys what it looks like. here's what it looks like. It looks completely different. Let me stand out of the way as much as I can so that you can see this. So all I've done is added 2 prints. I know I told you guys I was going to add 1. I also got another one at Desenio. You don't have to add multiple ones. You can just add like 1 or whatever it is that you want. And I actually had this in another part of my home, and I put it in here just to see what it would look like, and I really love it. Like, it looks so, oh, I just love it. I can't even describe it, honey. It is nice, right? Okay. So I really love how it looks, and it's just simple and it's kind of inviting. Like, it's a place I want to sit when I do my makeup. Put my chair up here. Just go. Da, da, da. Yeah, this is nice. This is what I want. Yeah. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this and you liked it. If this is something, let me get closer. If this is something you want to see more of in the future, please let me know as far as like redesigning different spaces in your home. I just want to show you guys how you can do like a little bit and it can actually go a long way. If you just do like a small space at a time, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. You don't have to do like an entire whole room. And then you may have like a nice corner of your home that you love to take pictures for your Instagram or Facebook or anything that you want. Like this is the easy way of doing that. Like just creating something really cute in a small space with a small amount of money, very small budget. I love that. On trend, on budget, and just cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.